Okay guys, welcome back. Okay, today's Sunday special is going to be late because it's Sunday just after lunch and I'm just doing the intro for it now, so apologies for that. The Sunday specials that are coming up are going to be all about Alaska. We went on our 14-day Alaskan cruise, and of course we have got an absolute ton of material to put together and compile and do some videos about. So there's going to be probably a series of maybe 5 or 6 videos coming in on the Sunday specials, and we also have been to Yellowstone, so we're going to probably mix them up a bit so that you're not seeing just Alaska all the way through. You might see Alaska, Yellowstone, you know, maybe something else, who knows. Houston Space Center sounds pretty special, so that could be a Sunday special slotted in as well. So anyway, let's get into the first video.
We are on the way.
Welcome back. We're on a mission to hit 1,000 subscribers so we can start donating our YouTube revenue to support families battling cancer. Join our journey, hit that subscribe button, and make a difference today. Now back to the video.
Alright, so a little bit of background. We boarded the ship on the 7th of September, which was a Saturday, and we had a sea day on Sunday, so spent all day at sea on Sunday, and it's Monday today and we're at Ketchikan, and I hope I got the pronunciation of that right. Okay, here we are, day three of our cruise with Royal Princess. This is where we've set foot in Alaska, so we're ticking off the 50th state. Our first stop in Alaska is Ketchikan, so we're going to head downtown and have a look at some of the sights. Got seals in the water. How fantastic is that?
Can't see the salmon.
Right beside them. Right beside the shore here in Alaska. Boy, there's so many of them out there. Yeah, there's a lot.
It is a beautiful day here today in Ketchikan. At this point we have all guests and crew back on board. We are disconnecting the gangways and we are also in the process of starting the engines.